Now I will teach you lesson 1, the Emperor Akbar and the half reward. See here this picture. He is Akbar. One day Emperor Akbar went to the jungle to hunt. Where Akbar went? Akbar went to the jungle for hunting. After some time he knew he was lost. He called for help but it was no use. He knew that he was lost in the jungle. He called for help but it was no use. Then the sun started to set. The emperor said, "Soon it will be dark. Here I am all alone in the wood. He think I am alone in the jungle." A young man named Mahesh Das lived in a hut nearby. See here, he is Mahesh Das. He heard a call coming from deep in the woods and he ran to that place. Where Mahesh Das lived? He lived in a hut nearby the jungle. He heard a sound from deep inside the jungle, so he ran to that place. The emperor was glad to see him. Mahesh Das said to emperor, "I know the way back to the palace. Follow me." The emperor was very happy to see him. The young man said to emperor, "Please follow me. I know the way back to the palace." Safe home at last, the emperor said, "Young man, I want to give you a gift." He took a ring of emerald and gold from his finger and he gave the ring to Mahesh Das. Emperor reached his palace safely. He said to the Mahesh Das he wanted to give a gift. He took a gold ring from his finger and gave to him. The emperor said, "In a few days come back to the palace. I want to give you something else even more grand." A few days after, Mahesh Das went back to the palace, but the guards stopped him at the door. "Halt," he said. "You do not look like someone who should see the emperor." Mahesh Das said, "But I have come to see him and the emperor know me." Few days after, Mahesh Das went back to the palace, but the guard stopped him and said, "Halt." Halt means to stop moving. The Mahesh shouted, "I have come to see him and the emperor knows me." He showed the guard the fine ring that Emperor Akbar had given him. The guard thought to himself, "It is not every day that I see such a ring. I think I have an idea." The young man said, "I have come to see him. The emperor knows me." He shouted and showed the ring that Akbar had given him. The guard said to Mahesh Das, "Listen to me. I will let you inside, but any gift you get from the emperor, I must get half." The guard crossed his arms. "That's the deal," he said. What could Mahesh Das do? So he agreed. The guard led him into the palace and showed him to the royal room of Emperor Akbar. The guard allowed to him inside the palace, but he agreed. "What gift you get from the emperor, I must get half." Emperor Akbar called my young friend in the woods. When he saw Mahesh Das, "I am very glad you come back. Now I can give you another gift. What would you like from the king of Hindustan?" "Your Majesty," said Mahesh Das with a bow, "I would like 50 lashes." "What?" said the emperor. When he saw Mahesh Das, he was happy and he said, "Now I can give you another gift. What would you like?" Mahesh Das said, "I would like 50 lashes." The emperor was shocked. "What?" Mahesh Das said, "I will tell you after." The royal advisors were shocked. This young man is crazy, they whispered. It makes no sense, said Emperor Akbar. Why would you ask for such a thing? Mahesh Das said to Emperor, I will tell you after the lashes. So the king's men started to whip him as he had said. But after the 25th lash, Mahesh Das asked the king to call the guard who was standing outside the room. Wow, thought the guard, what grand thing will I get now? But to his surprise, Mahesh Das pointed to him. He said, My emperor, this guard let me inside the palace only if I agreed to pay him half of any reward I may get from you. I always keep my promise, so please give him the 25th lashes that are left. The emperor ordered that the guard be given 25th lashes along with 5 years in prison. The guard was very happy. He think I will get half of reward, but Mahesh Das explained all incident to the emperor. So the emperor ordered that the guard be given 25th lashes and 5 years prison. Emperor Akbar was more pleased than ever with Mahesh Das. He invited the young man to stay at the palace and serve as his royal advisor.